Catching the sunlight as it waves to the moon.
Good afternoon mga kamoto. Dito tayo ngayon sa Chipis. Ayan o, Surfside Beach Resort. Na-vlog ko na to, pinalikyan ko lang. Okay, tingnan natin swimming pool banda. Okay, ito yung room namin. Ayan, wala. Tingnan natin yung sa loob. Ayan o, wow. Dilim. Dito kami matulog mamaya. Tapos dito sa taas sarado. Okay. Grabe, ganda ka mo to. Paddleboard hire, surf lesson dito pala. Ayan o, yung room namin dun banda. Okay, tapos dun tayo palipad. Ano? Okay. Tingnan natin ito. Yun. Ano? Low tide. Ganda ka mo to. Subukan natin palipad ka mo to.
Catching the sunlight as it waves to the moon. I love the dawn of a new day with you. Feels just like magic, the way we stop time. Wish we could stay forever intertwined. A love like this makes everything better. Oh, happiness is you at the center, like a merry-go-round. I'll stick around forever. If you could count the stars in the sky, circle the world 1,000 times, measure the ocean by its sides, I love you more than that, more than the miles gone by the birds, more than the mysteries of the earth, way past 1,000 times. Measure the ocean by its tides. I love you more than that. More than the miles flown by the birds. More than the mysteries of the earth. Way past the edge of the universe. I love you more than that. More than that. More than that. More than that. I love you. I love you more than that.
Okay, tapos na tayo nagpalipad ka mo to. Grabe kaganda doon, no? Doon man daw. Sa taas. Okay. Yan, dito na lang. Bye-bye.
Sakit sa